Is it time to buy or sell Newsmax stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Newsmax. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Newsmax as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this may very well serve as an early signal of a shift in trend. On the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend that has been broken, which is $12.09, a level that could present a second chance to capitalize on a rally. According to fan theory, $17.44 will be the next possible peak level in the trend and may present a resistance level that is unlikely to be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 39.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -68.48% and -43.40%. Our latest daily update for Newsmax includes the headline, NMAX Inc. stock price took a fall of 6.96% on Tuesday. The NMAX Inc. stock price declined by 6.96% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, dropping from $13.93 to $12.96. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.14%, ranging from a low of $12.91 to a high of $14.09. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, with a gain of 4.18% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 503,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $16.51 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $265, while the lowest was $11.40. Currently, the price stands at 95.11%, or $252.04, below the 52-week high of $265, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Newsmax reported second quarter results for the year 2025, showing revenue of $46.4 million, which represents an increase of 18.4% year over year. Broadcast revenue surged by 28.5% to $38 million, with more than 26 million viewers tuning in quarterly, solidifying its position as the 4th highest-rated cable news channel. The company also expanded its distribution network with a multi-year carriage agreement with Fubo. Additionally, it moved to settle a high-profile defamation lawsuit with Dominion for $67 million. This news contributed to a stock increase of approximately 15% due to relief buying. In the short term, this settlement alleviates a significant legal burden and has the potential to spark a relief rally. Coupled with stronger second quarter top-line growth and distribution gains, this supports revenue momentum in the near term. However, the $67 million cash outlay and any potential impact on near-term earnings may lead to increased volatility and strain on free cash flow in the upcoming quarters. Looking at the long term, sustained growth in viewership and broader distribution through FAST and carriage agreements enhances advertising monetization and the potential for recurring revenue. Nonetheless, political exposure, reputational risks, and the company's capital requirements following the settlement will be crucial considerations for investors assessing long-term valuation prospects. Analysts have assigned a general, strong sell rating to Newsmax stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Newsmax. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 12.89%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. NMAX Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $13.58. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $12.35. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative indication. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal received 7 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal received 12 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal received 6 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal received 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal received 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal issued 97 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Newsmax. NMAX Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $12.67, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. Furthermore, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be of high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.18 between its high and low, which represents a change of 9.14%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Newsmax, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Newsmax. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Newsmax is at $13.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Newsmax encounters its first support level at $12.67. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Newsmax from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Dobriansky Paula J., who bought and sold a total of 13,813 shares or options in the company. According to the 2 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 91.337. In total, insiders purchased 13,813 shares and sold no shares in the last 2 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's currently no stop loss established. Is Newsmax stock a good buy? NMAX Inc. currently exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our recommendation from a hold to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we anticipate Newsmax will open higher by 36 cents, starting at $13.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.